All right, we are on location at the Fitchburg Public Library, my favorite place to get away from City Hall, which you're looking at this space right now and you're like, where the heck are you guys? And I can tell you that we're in what used to be the, I assume it's the computer lab, right?
Was the technology center.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Computer lab to me. That's Tegan, that's Kristen, I'm Jeremy, and we are in the brand new space that has been repurposed for some more study space. And our goal is to get out and highlight some fun places in the library because we talk, we love having you come over, of course.
Yeah.
But as mentioned, I love escaping over here because there's just so much fun things happening over here. Mm-hmm. Also, I'm not going back to City Hall after today, so you got me here for life. You didn't know that.
Oh boy.
Surprise! Take it as we start off here. Tell us a little bit about the space. What did we do and why did we do this?
Yeah, so we saw the computer usage declining a little bit, so we decided to make better use of the space because we saw a need for more study spaces. Oftentimes our tables were filled and people would leave to go find place elsewhere, and so we moved the computers out a little bit to make extra space. We removed the wall and kind of rearranged shelving, and it also opened up some space for some study pods.
Study pods.
Yes.
Those sound really cool. I want one of those in my office.
Yeah.
Like, they are really cool.
Yeah, I think everybody wanted to move one into their office here. Yeah.
So there's probably like 10 back there, right? Is that what you're saying? There's no more cubicles back there. It's all,
all the study pods.
It's pretty cool. I mean, it's definitely opened it up well. It's just cozy, Mm-hmm. It fits. Like you wouldn't have never known if you weren't in here before to see all the computers and whatnot. But as mentioned, you didn't lose a lot of computers. You still got still got that, and you gained some study
space. Just a new location and closer to the staff where we can help people if they need assistance with printing or anything. So
fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, it is Library Card Month, and Skelly got just a huge. Again, I wanted to have the card, and you guys we secured the card down.
Yeah.
But why is it important to continue to come out to the library? And I mean, I'm going to prove my point a little bit later as we do this interview. But I mean, why do we want to keep people coming in?
Yeah, well, we just have a lot of great resources here. You can check out books, we have DVDs, music, but then we also talk about using the space, and a lot of great programs going on as well. Youth is always has stuff going on. So
and definitely come get your card because the best way to help us out is to check out books. So
yeah.
And check them out here at the library. Yeah, check them out here at the Fitchburg Public Library. That's definitely a big piece here. All right, well, let's get into our regular business, and that is, Kristen, we'll start with you. We talked a little bit last time about the new book club is coming up.
Right.
Now they're here. A book club coming up, but we've got book clubs.
Exactly. So school's back in session, so we get some of our kind of regular programming back. So we have two great book clubs, one for our kind of beginning readers, we are in a book club for our 5 to 8 year olds, and that's the second Wednesday of the month. It'll be at 6 p.m. So the first one's going to be September 10th. Again, that's ages 5 to 8, and it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of variety and how kids are reading. Some are brand new to it, so they might read the book with their parent or guardian, and then some read them on their own. Always welcome to come. You don't have to have been here the month before, so just stop in. We also have a brand new book club, which is our graphic novel book club for the 9 to 12 year olds. That'll be a lot of fun. Graphic novels are just such a great way to get into reading. And that's going to be the fourth Monday of every month. So it'll be September 22nd at 6 p.m.
It's really good to get into a book club early too, right? If you're not exposed to it, I kind of was thinking that, we have a lot of book club stuff, but you're not really exposed to it. You don't really know. Oh my!
Oh, well, good day, my fine sir. Yes, indeed. Guess what?
What's going on there, buddy?
The action.
The action? What's the action?
I was just looking for books. Sorry.
Are you?
I don't mean to interrupt. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Good meeting
Jay, sir?
Okay, well, surprise.
You never know what's going to happen at the library.
You always ask if I wear my costume all year long, and I kind of do. Yes, indeed.
I asked him one time, do you wear your costume all year long? And he has now proved that point that He's always wearing it. Always a burger and a half. Oh my goodness.
This is the book I was looking for, by the way.
Oh, fantastic. You're going to have to put that back later.
No, I better read it.
All right, that's Tim for you, a longtime guest of the show. I believe I was asking about book clubs, but that guy seems like he needs to get in the club of some kind.
Right? I mean, the book clubs are a good draw, but maybe that's even more of a draw.
He's still walking down the. Okay, so book clubs again. To reiterate, the book club started at a younger age, getting in. That kind of gets you into the spirit, right?
And it's fun to read along with some other peers and bounce things off each other. So they're a lot of fun. There's always a snack, some sort of craft, something going on. So it's not just it's not like school. It's going to be more of we're having fun reading. Yeah.
That's good. And a way to get into a book club is to start with story times, right? To come in for the story times for the youngins. So the story times are back. You've got different versions of it too, including even a Saturday one.
Exactly. So it's a lot of fun. We've got our preschool story time. There's two different sessions on Monday mornings, 9:30 and 11. We've got our lap sit story time for the youngest, 0 to 2, and then we're doing Saturday story times again, which is great. It's nice to get people who can't make it during those morning hours. So the Saturday story time is going to be starting September 13th, and that's actually going to start with a special bilingual emotion story time. And we're bringing in a local author, Samira Alvarez, and she's going to talk about emotions. She has a book that she wrote, and she'll bring in, and then they can make crafts, and there's interactive stations and things like that. So it'll be a lot of fun.
That does sound like a lot of fun. And if that wasn't good enough, getting outside, maybe today is like our first real cold spell here, but nevertheless, the new Story Walk is out at McKee Farms Park. What is the book out there?
Yes, so our Story Walk is going to be Go and Get with Rex. It's a lot of fun. Kids can kind of play around with learning their letters, their phonics, and it's really funny. The dog is pretty good at picking out going
Not
and
as funny
getting.
as Tim, the
right,
burger guy,
it's gonna be.
Maybe Tim will be walking out there.
Exactly. We'll send him out. You might see him.
Yeah.
So.
That's a lot of fun. If you haven't checked that out, by the way, it's such a unique walk. McKee Farms Park is so amazing as it is.
Yeah.
But
it's a beautiful
walk,
and this temperatures will be great for taking a little walk.
The leaves trying to change.
You can take your scooter. You can ride your bike. Strollers.
You can do it
all of it.
You can't do the splash pad anymore.
Yeah, that'll be a little chilly.
All right, Kristen, over to you. Kristen, sorry. Tegan, So you've got a fun cooking event coming up, Great Gatsby Cooking, and a fun night of entertainment. Let's put it that way.
Yes, yeah. So it's going to be author Veronica Hinkey. She's going to come in and talk about the age of the Roaring 20s and talk about the different foods that would have been served and talk about that. She'll also have samples.
Ding, 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 ding,
Always
ding. If I had a bell, I'd be ding, 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 ding,
Yes.
Which can be awesome.
Finger sandwiches, lemon cake, and other foods to sample. And so that's going to be on Friday, September 26th at 10:30.
Fantastic. Well, as you can tell at the library, anything can happen, including Burger Guy. Seriously, does he walk around like this all the time?
It's not unusual.
You're going to hear about that in the staff meeting. And nevertheless, thank you both so much for having us over here. There's so many great things happening at the library. You got to stop on down because you never know what you're going to see and experience. And get that library card this month because it's super important to check out books here as we have some great things coming. Next month is probably my favorite month of the year, getting together. So new costumes lined up this year. We saw Burger Boy. But
yes, we always have something new. So, yeah.
Well, then you're gonna want to stay tuned for that one. Thank you both so very much. Check out the library's website. They got great information out there on their social media, and they've got a flyer right in the front entryway here when you walk in. If you want to grab that, thank you.
Yeah,
All right,
thank
thank
you.
you.